As y'all can see, we got the Scatpack in the back. In today's video, we finna just do a POV drive. So we are going to have y'all an inside POV from the inside, and we are also going to turn on the 360 cam. We really do need a wash, man, but hey, it's not too bad. And the Scatpack does have a Burbotune, so in this POV drive, you will hear a Catless full straight pipe Burbotune Scatpack. Let's go ahead and get to the POV drive, and let's teleport inside the car.
Holy Jesus.
Let's go sport instead of manual mode. Y'all seen when I got sideways, my hand slipped off the steering wheel? Oh my God. That could have been bad, y'all. Y'all, so in all honestly, bro, so y'all, due to the POV drive, I'm farther back in the seat than I would usually be. Like y'all, in the seat, I would usually be like farther up here, and where I can have more control of the wheel. But for the POV drive, I'm farther back. So it's actually kind of hard for me to, you know what I'm saying? Look, you can see I can barely grip the steering wheel. It's actually kind of hard for me to grip the steering wheel as far as I'm back. So I'm definitely taking a chance and losing control just for y'all. I don't even know what gear I'm in. Okay. We cooled out right in time when we passed that cop. Yeah, I ain't see him hit no brake lights or nothing either, so I believe we good still. Surprising for a cop to be back here. That's why I chose this location to avoid that actually. Like, guys, it's crazy for the best POV. I literally got it. It's crazy for the best POV, y'all. I literally got it. I thought I had heard a cop coming, my bad. But for the best POV, y'all, I literally got to be like all the way back here. Instead of me, like, my usually driving routine is like up here. Like, I really do not got wheel right now, which is crazy to me. My God, y'all, I can't get active for real, bro. These sheriffs are out over here. That's crazy, bro. I was gonna get active right here, y'all, but I can't, bro, because these sheriffs are out. I mean, he gone, but still. There's too many over here in this area, you know? Like, I wanted to slide so bad, y'all. Y'all can tell I wanted to just slide. I just can't, bro. We're gonna respect the civilian right here. hope y'all enjoyed this POV drive. And here goes y'all a quick startup. And you probably wondering, who is my tuner? My tuner is Equal Performance. That's who tuned my Scatpack. And he has good customer service, replies back fast, and also I highly recommend going to Equal Performance for you a verbal tune or a flame tune. And he also did my drift tune as well. I actually have another video of the sound of the drift tune on my YouTube channel where I did the best Dodge Charger and Challenger mods, like 2 videos below this. So man, if y'all like this type of content or any other content y'all want to see, please comment below. And I appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.